The C of CSS stands for the cascade, and it's what determines which rules actually get applied to my HTML file. The greater the specificity of a selector, the more precedence it has in styling the associated HTML elements. Higher specificity rules take precedence over less specific ones. Inline styles are the most specific, followed by IDs, classes, and type selectors. But not all selectors are equal. Some selectors, like the universal selector and combinators, don't affect specificity. Certain CSS properties are inherited by descendants, but direct targeting overrides inheritance. In rule order, the last defined rule prevails when all else fails. Coming back to my exercise in the HTML file, I'll first address the paragraphs. Obviously, the second should be smaller, marked by the small para class. However, due to its position before the para class in the CSS, it fails to take effect. Rearranging it below para will give the desired smaller font of 14 pixels. Moving on to the first button, it requires a green background and white text. Despite having the necessary declarations in the CSS, we apply to the less specific conform class, resulting in no change. To rectify this involves removing the conform class and using the higher specificity ID selector conform button, or chaining both classes, button and conform, to the same effect. Some adjustments are needed to make the text smaller and bolder for my last element, a div with the text and child classes, nested within another div with the text class. The child class precedes the div text selector in the CSS, rendering it ineffective. To fix this, I'll either create a descending combinator from text to child or move it below the div text selector. Simply moving it alone won't suffice due to the higher specificity of div text, but appending div to child will achieve the desired effect.